So my next student arrives in just a few minutes, so I wanted to take this opportunity to make a video for you showing you what I would practice if I only had 2 minutes and what you should practice if you only have 2 minutes as well. This is the secret weapon that musicians use on even the busiest of days to keep getting better at their instrument. Now 2 minutes might not seem like a lot, but if you do that in all the little pockets of time throughout your day, it really starts to add up, especially if you can do this multiple days in a row. I have just 2 rules for a 2-minute practice session. One is that you practice just whatever the last thing was that you were working on, because you just don't have the time to plan out a longer practice session right now. Time is of the essence. And number 2, pick something that you believe you can actually accomplish in 2 minutes, however small that is. By doing this, you achieve a sense of accomplishment at the end of your 2-minute practice session, which then sparks motivation when you do the next one, and so on, and you build momentum and confidence in your piano progress. To show you an example, I'm working on this Rachmaninoff C minor prelude right now, especially the last couple pages, which are relatively new to me, and I think in 2 minutes I could work through this page and make sure that I have all the fingerings lined up. I can write in any fingerings that I need so that when I come back later, it's all set, ready to go when I do my small section practice. So here I've got my computer, eggtimer.com, because I'm a dork like that. I can just type in 2 minutes, hit the enter button, and here we go. Okay, so that was pretty down to the wire, but I got pretty much all of the fingerings that I need to feel like I accomplished something and to be really excited about coming back to this later in the day, whether it's 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or half an hour. Try this in your practicing, especially if today's a busy day for you, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.